Hi there, Newland here. I wanted to talk about 1.2 kinematics question number 4, which is a topic question and is one of those that probably is best answered by graphing it, and I thought I would talk about an easy way to do that. The question is in front of us. We've got time data, horizontal data, and vertical data. So this is a problem about projectile motion. So that's two-dimensional kinematics. Acceleration is probably only in one dimension, but we really won't know until we plot it. So the question is, in an experiment, students record that data, and the students claim that the data shows the horizontal is acceleration is 0, but the vertical is not. So I'm going to try to do just that. So I'm going to try to copy this data. I'm highlighting with my mouse, Control C, and then I've got a Google spreadsheet right here. I'm just going to paste it. And then I'm going to select all 3 columns, A, B, C, and I'm going to come over here and click the button that says Insert a Chart. You can see that it put time on the horizontal axis, and both vertical and horizontal position have been plotted. And the cool thing is I can immediately see the blue, which is horizontal. This is position versus time, so the slope is velocity. The concavity tells you the acceleration. So with a straight line, you can tell that the slope is constant, so it's constant velocity. And with the, that's horizontal, and with the vertical you can see that it's got negative concavity, so it must have negative acceleration. While we're here, I also want to show you, if you go to Customize under Google Sheets and I go to Series and I scroll and click Trend Line, I can actually add trend lines for both. But for vertical, instead of it being a linear fit, if I scroll down under Type, I can choose Polynomial. And you can very quickly get a linear fit for either of them. And under Label, I can choose Use Equation. Let's do that with horizontal as well. Scroll down and choose Use Equation, and maybe I'll make it a little bigger. You can see that it actually gives you, very much like we've seen with Pivot Interactives when you do curve fitting, you can do curve fitting with Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel for that matter, very, very easily. So if we go back to the question, now that I've plotted it, and you can see that it sure looks like there's a positive velocity the entire time, and which is constant, because the position versus time would, the slope would give me velocity. Sure looks like a constant velocity. And for the horizontal displacement, but for vertical displacement, it looks like there is not a constant velocity. It looks like the concavity is down, so it must have a negative acceleration. So hopefully with that plot, you can actually choose one of the answers here that makes the most sense. All right, I hope that helps you.